Hi, I'm Colleen Lake. I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab, and today we're going to be doing one of my least favorite tasks, debugging a broken pipeline. Now, usually this is a very annoying process that eats up your whole afternoon and has a lot of vague error messages. But today, instead of fixing it manually, we're going to be using GitLab Duo Agent Platform to do the fix. It's going to save us a lot of time and be a lot more seamless. Let's get started.
So the first thing you need to do is go to the Settings side tab and click on General. Now scroll down to GitLab Duo, make sure it's turned on, make sure everything there that you need is selected. Make sure you also save it if you need to. Then go over your pipelines. You want to select the one that is broken. And there are two different ways you can do this. The first way is to click on this button right up top, the Fix Pipeline with Duo button. What that will do is it starts a pipeline fix agent that reads through all your project files, it analyzes the errors, and it creates a new branch with the fix. Then, once the fix is ready, it creates a merge request. See, first it explains why it's broken. Then it tells you what the plan is, gives you some context, tells you why the errors occur, and lets me know what the solution is. Now you can see that it's actually editing the file and implementing the solution. The other way that Duo can fix it is through Agentic Chat. So go up here to the Duo sidebar, select your agent. I'm going with standard Duo. You can also pick which model you use. I'll stick with Opus. Then just write your request in the chat. Hey, Duo, my pipeline is broken. Can you please figure out why? Fix it. A merge request. And it's on it. There are a lot of issues on this one. It's going to fix it. It's also asking if I want to create the merge request. I will give approval. Now it's explaining why it all happened. Now we just need to go over to our merge request. Go here. Here's what we've got. Is now ready to merge. Voila! Our pipeline is now fixed.
And that's it. We just saw GitLab Duo Agentic Platform fix a pipeline in a matter of minutes. It identified the problem, wrote some code that addressed it, and created a merge request. Once I reviewed it and merged it, the pipeline was fixed. That's just one of the amazing things Duo Agent can do. To learn more about these new features, see the links in the description, or check out our other videos. Thanks for watching!